Hello everyone. So this video I'm going to teach you how to model this part. So for that first we need to study the design. So the from the top view we can see that the two circles that has been symmetrically distanced at 150 mm, and so this is the first step we need to go. For that I'm going for this new file, uncheck this use default template, and I'm going to choose mmns part solid absolute method. Now I'm going to switch on the plane. Since this is a top view, I'm going to select the top plane and choose extrude. Now just go to 2D. I'm going to draw my center circle of diameter 60. Now either sides I'm going to draw smaller circles of same radius. First I need to make this symmetric with this center line. Now I'm going to change this to 30 diameter and my symmetric distance is 150. Yeah, the first thing is ready. This is 60 and this both are 30. Now I'm going to make a tangent line. Select the top circle, bottom. So I'm going to draw on every side. Now I'm going to delete the unwanted segments to form the closed loop of an object. Okay, so let me choose shaded with edges and give my thickness as 15. So my part is ready. So now I need to draw the cylinder. We can see that the cylinder starts from the bottom surface. So I need to select the bottom plane and click extrude. I'm going to change the view to hidden and going for this reference. I'm going to draw a circle of same 60 radius. Then I'm going to extrude this for 75, and see, as well you can see that from bottom it is 75. Now I'm going to change this to opposite direction so that it starts from the base and my length is 75. Okay, and third step is I need to create a slot on either sides of this cylinder, for which I need to select the top surface and I need to see the dimensions. You can see that it is of symmetric distance of 35. So I'm selecting this top surface, go to extrude. Now change this view to hidden, take this as reference, draw a circle, draw two lines just in contact with that circle. It is coincident. Then this distance shall be 35, before which I need to make symmetry. So I am drawing a center line, go to symmetry, touch this point against this. Yeah, it's already in symmetry position. So I'm going to delete the unwanted segments. It formed the closed loop and it is minus to 15. Sorry, it is up to 30. So put here 30, reverse position, so it automatically removed the material. See, now I need to take a slot at the center, so for which I need to select this front plane as my reference and extrude. For this we can draw a basic rectangle starting from any top of the plane to this top surface. Okay, so just make sure that it is not going beyond that. Now I'm going to choose the symmetric plane and the distance is 15. Remove material. Okay. I need to place the hole. So this is my first hole, and we can find two holes here. So this hole is 15 dia and this is as 12 dia. It is offsetted at distance of 90 from here and 60 from bottom, and this is concentric with the oldest circle as like. So to create this circle I need to create a plane at this end of this part that is offsetted from here is 90. I'm going to select this plane, go to plane option and choose 90, click OK. Okay, so this is at the left edge of the part. So I'm going for hole, so just click on the surface so that the whole preview we can be able to see, and just take this clip to the left end of the part and this second clip to the very bottom surface. So the offset distance from here is 60 and from here is 90, so it is oriented correctly, and this whole diameter is 12. So for that you need to go to this shape and choose the circle's diameter as 12, and from here I'm going to choose this up to selected surface. I'm going to select the surface and click OK. Yes, the hole is ready. Now I'm going to create my two holes here, for which I need to give the reference point. Since this is symmetric, I need to give to this point, and here I'm going to give this front plane. In placement I'm going to choose this front plane align so that it becomes 0, and here 75, since it is 150, half of which is 75. And in shape I'm going to change this as 15 dia and up to selected surface. Yes, my hole is ready. Now I need to 3D mirror this hole, so select hole 2, go to mirror, select this plane, click OK. So my part is completely ready. Now I need to change the view, for which I need to go to this view tab under appearances, select any one of the material, at the bottom right corner select part, just double click the scroll button. So my part is completely ready. So if you need to see the realistic view, just go to this and click on shading with reflections, so you can see the realistic view of the part. Thank you.